Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the subscription. I want to personally thank you. I am so grateful, and please keep the subscriptions coming. Today I'm making yam and baked bean sauce. I hope you like this one. Please share my video. If there's any kind of video you want me to create, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.
Hey guys, so this is a really super easy meal to make. Takes minimal ingredients and little effort, and very tasty as well. So all you just need to do is to cut up the yams as seen. Wash the yam and put in a pot to boil. Add some salt. Then prepare your ingredients. You will need carrots, green pepper, baked beans, some tomatoes, sausage, onion, pepper, and seasoning cubes. Once the yam is soft, drain and set aside. Fry up some onion and the tomatoes. If you have garlic, fresh pepper, this is also when you add it. Then add your carrots to fry alongside. Add the curry and thyme, some seasoning, your seasoning cube. Stir to combine. Add some salt. Add pepper. If you already added Scotch bonnet pepper, you skip this part. Then you add the sausages. Pour in the baked beans and stir. Cover the pot to cook for about 3 minutes. Then after that, you pour in the yam, the already cooked yam. Stir to combine very well. Then add the green pepper, chopped green pepper. That's green bell pepper, please. Let it combine. That's it, you're done. Food is ready, and trust me, this tastes so delicious. You should give it a try. Ready to be served. Isn't this beautiful? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.